Here is my house to home / Mainstays / whatever other brand names that these Chinese freak shows slap on this generic box fan. The blade is definitely made by Cam-Air or Aerospeed. So we're going to get into it. You've seen this fan filmed a lot of times. There's no need to have a long explanation for it. It still works. It still runs. So let's go ahead and run it. And let's check out the spin down time. I bought this last year from CVS right before the spring of last year. So I've had it for a while now and it still runs well. Spin down time is decent. You can still get these at CVS, Walmart's, wherever they sell it, under many different brand names. This is the newer model. Now the last model that they had was the one where the knob was on the front. It was very hard to pull it apart and clean it and all that stuff. And it had the little legs that pop out. And it had the real skinny banana blades. Well, I still have that one over there. But it's a pain in the rear end to pull apart and clean. Well, this one is a little bit better. At least they thought of their customers a little bit more. Where you can pull the front guard off and pull the blade off. Unfortunately, in the back, the cord comes directly out of the back of the plastic back guard, and some of the wirings and all those things are attached to it. So unless you really know what you're doing when you try to pull off that back, I would suggest don't tamper with it. You really don't want to mess things up. Thanks for watching. The Fan Collector, and out.